This isn't just a BMW, this is a 77,000 mile Dinan-tuned 2000 BMW Z3 M Roadster with a screaming 3.2-liter inline-six, a 5-speed manual and 0 electronic driving filters, and at under $18,000, it might be the most thrilling analog performance bargain in America right now. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you love rare analog German performance machines, the kind that make your heart race before you even turn the key, you're in the right place. And today, we're looking at something truly special. This is the 2000 BMW Z3 M Roadster, finished in factory Cosmos Black, showing just 77,776 actual miles, powered by a tuned 3.2-liter inline-six paired to a proper 5-speed manual transmission, and elevated with genuine Dinan performance upgrades. And at $17,995, this might be one of the most exciting analog performance bargains on the market right now. Take a slow walk around this car. The proportions are compact, muscular, and unapologetically aggressive. Long hood, short rear deck, wide rear haunches that look like they're gripping the pavement even while standing still. Cosmos Black paint lays deep and glossy under the light, highlighting every sculpted contour BMW designed into this M package body. This isn't just a Z3, this is the M Roadster, wider stance, quad exhaust, side gills with the M badge reminding you that this is motorsport DNA distilled into a 2-seat Roadster. Slide inside and you're greeted by gray leather heated seats that feel purposeful yet refined. Everything is angled toward the driver. The cockpit is intimate, tight focused, and built for engagement. The tilt steering wheel adjusts perfectly into position. Your left foot finds the clutch. Your right hand rests on that manual shifter, and suddenly you remember what driving is supposed to feel like. Turn the key, the tuned 3.2-liter inline-six comes to life with that unmistakable BMW straight-six smoothness. But this one breathes deeper thanks to Dinan. The carbon fiber intake sharpens throttle response. The Dinan Exhaust System adds a richer, more aggressive tone without being obnoxious. It's refined but ready. Blip the throttle and you feel that immediate response, crisp, mechanical, alive. Out on the road, this is where the Z3 M Roadster truly shines. The naturally aspirated 3.2L pulls strong through the rev range. There's no turbo lag, no artificial enhancement, just linear power delivery and that beautiful mechanical crescendo as the revs climb. The 5-speed manual transmission engages with precision. Every shift feels intentional. Every gear change reminds you why manual BMW M cars have become so sought after. And then there's the handling. The Dinan Strut tower brace tightens up the front end, improving rigidity and steering feel. You point the nose into a corner and the car responds instantly. Rear-wheel drive balance lets you steer with the throttle. It's raw but controlled, light but planted. This car doesn't isolate you from the road, it connects you to it. Drop the black power soft top and everything changes. The sky opens up, the exhaust note fills the cabin, wind flows past the windshield as the Harman Kardon sound system waits patiently in the background, because honestly you won't need it much. The best soundtrack here is mechanical. What makes this example even more special is the mileage, just under 78,000 actual miles. That's low for a 2000 model, especially one built to be driven and enjoyed. The paint appears original, the interior presents clean and well kept. Power mirrors, windows, locks, all the modern essentials are here, but without the overcomplication of newer cars. This is the sweet spot of BMW performance history. Before massive weight gain, before turbocharging took over, before everything became filtered through screens and software, this is analog, hydraulic steering, mechanical throttle response, rear-wheel drive purity. And let's talk value. At $17,995, you're getting an M car, not just a base Z3. You're getting Dinan upgrades, which carry serious respect in the BMW world. You're getting low miles, a manual gearbox, and a spec that's becoming harder to find every year. These cars have already started climbing in collector interest, especially clean, unmodified examples with documented upgrades from reputable tuners like Dinan. But more than numbers, more than speculation, this car delivers experience. It delivers connection. It delivers that feeling when you downshift into second, hear the exhaust echo off a tunnel wall, and realize that this kind of raw driving engagement is disappearing fast. The four-wheel disc brakes provide confident stopping power. Power steering keeps the car nimble at low speeds, yet communicative at higher ones. The chassis feels tight, the balance feels intentional. It's a car that invites you to take the long way home, and in Cosmos Black with the black soft top and gray leather interior, the color combination is timeless, elegant enough for a weekend cars and coffee, aggressive enough to turn heads anywhere it goes. The 2000 BMW Z3 M Roadster Dinan isn't about flashy numbers on paper. It's about sensation, sound, steering feel, throttle response. It's about grabbing that shifter, feeling the clutch engage, and knowing you're in complete control. In a world that's moving toward autonomous driving and electrification, cars like this are becoming artifacts of a golden era, when performance was mechanical, visceral, and deeply personal. If you've been searching for a pure, analog M Roadster with tasteful performance upgrades, low miles, and serious presence, this might be the one. If you appreciate rare, enthusiastic spec German performance like this, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and stay tuned, because we've got more ultra-luxury performance machines coming your way. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's next.